If you're a libertarian, you probably value individual freedom and limited government. But have you ever considered how a monarchy could fit into those principles? Today, we are going to explore why libertarians should consider supporting monarchy. When most people hear the word monarchy, they might think of outdated systems of government, where one person has absolute power over a nation. But there are many types of monarchy, and some can align surprisingly well with libertarian values. In fact, throughout history, there have been many libertarians who have supported monarchy as a viable form of government. One of the core tenets of libertarianism is limited government. Libertarians believe that government should only exist to protect individual rights and liberties, and that excessive government interference can suffocate personal freedom. While many democracies and republics have expanded their government over time, monarchies have historically been less prone to government overreach. Monarchs have an inherent incentive to keep government limited, since they have a personal stake in preserving their own power and wealth. As a result, many monarchies have been able to maintain relatively small, efficient governments that respect individual rights. Another key aspect of libertarianism is support for free markets. Libertarians believe that individuals should be free to trade and exchange goods and services without government interference. Historically, many monarchies have also been strong proponents of free markets. Monarchs recognized that economic growth and prosperity would benefit their own kingdoms, and they often allowed for greater economic freedoms than other forms of government. For example, the microstates of Monaco and Liechtenstein have low taxes, minimal regulation, and all the resulting economic freedom that has made them some of the wealthiest places in the world. At its core, libertarianism is about valuing individualism and personal liberty. Monarchy can also align with those values, since monarchy emphasizes the importance of individual leadership rather than the rule of majority. In a monarchy, the king or queen serves as the ultimate authority, but they are also held responsible and accountable for their actions. In a republic, on the other hand, the majority can often trample on the rights of minorities, leading to a loss of personal freedom. By supporting monarchy, libertarians can ensure that individual liberty remains a top priority. Another key principle of libertarianism is the protection of private property rights. Libertarians believe that individuals should have the right to own and control their own property without interference from the government. Monarchy can be a strong ally in this regard, since monarchs often view their countries as their own personal property. They have vested interest in protecting private property rights, since it benefits them directly. In contrast, republics are often more prone to infringing on private property rights through taxation and regulation. And in conclusion, while monarchy may seem like an unlikely partner for libertarianism, there are many reasons why libertarians should consider supporting it. Monarchy aligns well with libertarian principles of limited government, free markets, individualism, and private property rights. As libertarians continue to search for ways to promote personal freedom and individual liberty, monarchy should be considered as a viable option. If you like this video, don't forget to see this one where we compare salaries in 1931 Kingdom of Yugoslavia versus 2023 Republic of Serbia. And guess where the salaries were better.